Shardul Parthasarathy had a deep run yesterday.
Very deep
Needed
run.
one badly though. Bengaluru All Stars, who was second in the league standings, who will have the second biggest chip stack of 3 lakh chips, is Zarwan Tamboli with 2 lakh chips, representing the Lucknow Kings. Is their skipper Gaurav Sood, Mumbai Anchors. He's gonna have a stack of 1,20,000 chips. Mithun Mahesh, who do you send if you don't send this man? Look at him. We just crowned him as a player of the season. And the man sitting on that chair is Ashish Ahuja with 60,000 chips.
Teams are ready and so are we. So dealer, let's shuffle up and deal.
Goa came in with the short stack. Is quite short stacked even right now with 15 bigs. Zarwan, Bengaluru skipper.
That's
So,
crazy.
Yeah, running hot.
That's crazy, man. And I'm in the fantasy trying to make it out of the bottom 10. And Zarwan is he's just won it outright. Not just that, he's been putting on a show for us on the felts to go with all of the things he's been doing.
Yeah, one of the most entertaining players in the field, no doubt.
Yeah, he's been quiet so far, and definitely one of the reasons that he's quiet is because of the aggression that Shardul. You can be rest assured that Zarwan Tamboli, who's now also got his lucky shades on, is going to seize it. And
Some of those cards have been mucked. You can see there, 2 kings and an 8 have been mucked by other players. So he has less equity than he usually would. Yeah,
holdings which are marginal, middling and low bottom pairs.
absolutely.
So he goes for a bigger sizing yet again. This time he's got top 2.
But not a good turn card for the top 2 pair. As we can see, the flush comes in. And some straights do complete as well. And you can see, because Lakshpal has the 9 of clubs, he's picked up a lot more outs. Any club on the river would give him a flush. So his equity shot up to 36%, even though there's just 1 card to go.
And all the nutted clubs in the hands of Shardul in this spot, mind you. Lakshpal, however, does
Continues
decide
with
to
the
make the call.
And here is the river, and what a river this is, guys. Queens full of jacks for Kolkata, and a 9 high flush for Mumbai. Let's see what sizing he chooses. Does go for all of it, knowing that his opponent's stack is less than the size of the pot. And now a very difficult and important, crucial decision for Lakshpal.
Yeah, is he going to be comfortable calling off on that particular river? It's another club.
He is well
you
aware.
have only the
Yeah,
9 of clubs.
Absolutely.
All the nuts are with the initial aggressor. And now the board's paired as well. Are you happy, my friend? The expression absolutely telling you that he's not happy.
But he does
but he makes
make the
the
call, and he sees the bad
and
news.
he's going to get the bad news, and we will lose Lakshpal Singh. Mithun looks locked in, man. And he's been throughout this poker sports league.
Here comes the raise. Pocket aces here for the player of the series, who, as you mentioned, Sriram, has been bluffing a fair bit. Converted his pair of 10s into a bluff early on. He's got the nuts.
And it's a great holding for
And
Shardul to
here
actually
we
put
go. A 3-bet
Yeah,
by the big stack.
The timing could not have been better for Mithun
And
to
a
have
big
aces.
3-bet.
Oh my god.
An ace-queen suited
This
for the
is
Goa team.
nasty for the
Ashish
Gators.
with just, he did re-raise to 23k, and there we go.
And I don't
Move to go all in. He does go for it, and Shardul will be able to get away. And of course,
They need some serious help from the poker gods to the Gators. To the flop we go.
no help there. The ace is in great shape. You can see the equity is now 98% favorite to win this hand. It is the 5 of spades, and that will effectively end this hand. The Deccan Aces knocking out the Goa Gators. And we have our second elimination on this final table.
मेरे को नहीं समझा भाई
Ardul cheering along, saying top race to Vishal, loving the banter.
Right, we're going to go to a flop. Call Oja, not giving anything away. ace is not going anywhere with their pair of fives. Check calling smaller bets. So you
Right.
want to keep the pot under control,
Right.
but also the player with the betting initiative can actually decide what the pot is going to be.
The Deccan Aces are going nowhere. The big bet 60k by the Kolkata team, but the Deccan Aces.
He knows now for sure that his ace high is not good. Nearly all of the times. He checks it back and he'll know that the pot will be going in the direction of the Deccan Aces and the rain is going to get rowdier for the Aces.
ये अंकित वधावन के बारे में आपको बताऊं
जी।
इनका मैंने नाम पहले मिस हो गया जब आपने बोला टेबल्स पे एंटरटेनमेंट। अगर मेरे को कोई ऐसे पूछे कि यहाँ से कितने लोग आपको मिलके नए लोग अगर कुछ ऐसे हो तो मेरी लिस्ट में ये ज़रूर होंगे। काफ़ी अच्छे मुझे इनका नेचर भी लगा। चलिए ये देखिए काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग हैंड यहाँ पे बैंगलोर के
बहुत
पास
बढ़िया
जब
hand
किंग
होने वाला
9
है
सूटेड स्मॉल ब्लाइंड पे 20 बीबी
अगर
और कैलकाटा एस किंग।
कुछ फैंसी ट्राई किया तो काफी ज्यादा गंदा फंसेंगे.
बिल्कुल यहाँ पे काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग ये हैंड्स फ्लैट करे तो
Oh
उसके
my
बाद
god, that will be the absolute card, but sad part of it. The way to end it.
Yeah, for all Bangalore fans. Yeah, obviously वहाँ पे उनको प्रेशर इतना डालना है।
He goes all in.
उन्होंने ऑल इन कर दिया है। उन्होंने ऑल इन कर दिया है और ये यहाँ पे बबल टाइम और ये देखिए यहाँ पे एस किंग से कॉल। कैलकाटा मैसिवली डोमिनेट कर रही है यहाँ पे
That's what we
बैंगलोर को।
discussed.
किंग 9 ऑफ क्लब्स।
King 9.
बैंगलोर नीड्स हेल्प। या तो उन्हें क्लब चाहिए या फिर 9 चाहिए।
क्या होने वाला है विख्यात?
40 लाख रुपए का ये बबल देखता है बैंगलोर को यहाँ पे।
And okay, let's see what the flop is. There's a 9 on the flop. There is
Nine,
a 9
10,
on the flop there.
Oh my God! Domination rotation.
Ace spoils
ये
the
देखिए,
party
rain.
for the Bengaluru. क्या होने वाला है? Deuce it is. जो मांग रही है
Deuce of
बेंगलुरु टीम वो मिल रहा है.
अब सिर्फ 3 आउट रहते हुए
What a
और ये देखिए यहाँ पे कैलकाटा को
Gaurav Sood also conferring with his teammate there.
That will be a
24k the raise, and look at this, a big hand for the Deccan Aces on the dealer button. King Queen of Hearts. They are of course dominated by the
Action.
Lucknow Kings Ace King.
action time here.
Oh
A
hell
lot
yeah,
of-
man! And talking of pressure, here's one man who doesn't seem to be feeling it at all. He's not in this hand, but look at this, a big re-raise. The red chips, guys, those are worth 25k each.
The Deccan
So-
Aces have gone all
Yep.
in for 260k.
No, the small 3 bet here, they've ripped it in. Kolkata will get out of the way with their Jack
Is
10 off
Kolkata
suit.
going to make 40 lakh rupees here?
I
Cause
think,
of this?
yeah, they could sneak into the
Oh
top
my
3.
god.
good fold.
Smiling and folding, and Lucknow is going to snap this. Gaurav
All in,
Sood crosses
my
in
god,
the chip,
smooth
and we're off to the races.
Ace
Ace
King versus
King
King Queen,
versus
come on.
King
Come on,
Queen
Ace
of
King
Hearts.
versus-
You can see they are worried here.
Tension palpable as the flop.
Two hearts.
For the Deccan Aces. And there it is on the turn. They get that double up.
A double up for the Deccan Aces here. But because they have to play from early position, they might think it through.
Help the luck now and we move. Clubs are live, bro. Yes, the Deccan team can go clubbing. Ooh, there's a club in the window and there's a king as well.
There is a king. There is a king.
Move 5. Is it always coming 7? No, it's not.
He's changed his look. He had the other look before.
She was not in town, that she must be back. Some of the best poker players, and these 3 can be in a top 3.
And Kunal Patni himself. And there you can see the results that are coming in, and they call it off.
Got away. And Kolkata deciding to not get involved with their ace queen off 3-handed and hoping
20 lakh pay jump is what they're interested in, 40 to 60 lakh. But that kind of is very interesting.
Well, anyway, this is virtually for all of Lucknow's chips. Lucknow is not going to be folding after coming in with that particular and validate their decision in making that huge fold with ace queen off.
Yes.
Wild. Some chop outs have developed as well. Another 5 will chop the
Yes.
pot. Otherwise, they need a king or a 9.
A king 9-5 only.
There's your answer.
They are going all in and
And the
And it's a
snap call. We're off to the races. This is a flip for it. Viewers. It's the Jack 10 of the Deccan Aces up against the Pocket 5's path.
what a match. There is a 10 there for the Deccan Aces. They also have a gut shot with the ace or the 9. You have flopped it.
The Kolkata team
You
pretty
hit the
much
ace
dead
and
in
lock
the
it and
dark.
take it down.
And that's that.
Only a jack can.
And that is that. And the river is a king, which means they will not chop it up. And we have
The
crowned
winners of the Pocket 52 PSL Season 6 are the Deccan Aces.